Okay, so imagine you have a giant pile of sand, and then let's say you decide to take just one grain and throw it away. Well, after that, you still obviously have a pile of sand in front of you, but now let's say you take away another grain, and well, you still obviously have a pile of sand. But if we keep going and keep on removing grains one by one, something extremely strange begins to happen because at some point, that pile will shrink smaller and smaller until you end up with just a few pieces of sand left, which clearly at that point, you no longer have a pile anymore. Okay, so the question to all of this is, when exactly can you say that you no longer have a pile of sand? Like, was it maybe when there were only 1,000 grains left, 100 grains, or maybe just 2? Really think about this because you can see how confusing things get. So for example, if I have 10 grains of sand, can I say that I have a pile of it? Or can I only say that I have a bit or a pinch? Well, okay, now let's put all of that thought aside for a bit because we can actually apply this to everything, such as when exactly does someone stop being considered young and start being called old? Or at what exact moment does your phone go from being new to being old? And well, the truth and big point behind all of this is that the Sorites paradox shows us how vague words like pile, old, rich, or tall actually are, which kind of forces us to realize that a lot of words we use to traverse throughout the world are not as concrete as we'd like to admit. But what do you think?